Hey everybody, I just want to take a quick minute today in Sweet Nothings and talk to you about the crop overlay tool in Lightroom. It's a really useful way to kind of find leading lines or guides within here, so let me show you what I mean. Aww. Now I'm going to enter my develop module and I'm going to go ahead and choose my crop tool, and that's going to open up and you immediately see this laws of thirds grid. That's probably something you're used to seeing in here. But if that doesn't line up exactly or give you the information you need, you can hit the letter O and it'll change that overlay. These are thirds, but now they're following diagonals. If I hit it again, we end up seeing the exact center of the picture. I can hit O again, and now I have diagonal leading lines to follow. O. A condensed laws of thirds grid. O. There's a golden spiral. If I want to choose a different frame size, for instance, like an 8x10, this is showing me that I would have to crop it in those 4x5s, and that's where I'm going to lose parts of the image. Oh, again, and now I get to see if I have a horizon or a wall I'm trying to line it up with, a lot more points of reference. Now I'm back to my original laws of thirds, but you may have noticed that some of these might not have lined up with the orientation of my photo. If we get to, let's say, the golden spiral, the most complex of this, and it's not following the lines I need it to, I can hold Shift, I can hit O, and you'll see it shift the orientation of that overlay to follow the image. Let me show you again if I go to a different overlay. Let's say the 4x5 is what I want to follow, but I want to go horizontal, hold Shift, and hit O. It shifts the orientation of that overlay. That's about it. There's not a lot to the crop overlay tool, but it's incredibly useful when you need something to guide you through a crop other than the original rules of thirds grid. If this video helped you, go ahead and hit that like button down below. That'll make sure that YouTube shows it to more people. And from the Lightroom Whisperer, keep on Lightrooming.